International Space Station to crash down to Earth in 2031. The International Space Station, ISS, will continue working until 2030, before plunging into the Pacific Ocean in early 2031, according to NASA. In a report this week, the U.S. Space Agency said the ISS would crash into a part of the ocean known as Point Nemo. This is the point furthest from land on planet Earth, also known as the spacecraft cemetery. Many old satellites and other space debris have crashed there, including the Russian space station Mir in 2001. NASA said that in the future space activities close to Earth would be led by the commercial sector. The ISS, a joint project involving 5 space agencies, has been in orbit since 1998 and has been continuously crewed since 2000. More than 3,000 research investigations have taken place in its microgravity laboratory. According to NASA, it will save $1.3 billion, £956 million, by transitioning to the private sector for activities in low Earth orbit, money which instead can be spent on deep space exploration. The savings are anticipated because NASA will only be paying for the services it needs, rather than for the maintenance and operations of the ISS. NASA also points out that the private sector space stations will be newer and should require fewer spare parts. The transition report published by NASA this week comes after the administration of U.S. President Joe Biden said it had committed to extend the space station's activities until 2030. However, the extension still requires the support of international partners, including Russia, and funding for the ISS is currently only approved by U.S. Congress until 2024. In an interview with the Russian news agency Interfax in December 2021, the head of Russia's space program, Dmitry Rogozin, indicated a willingness to work with NASA beyond 2024. Actions speak louder than words, he said. The head of Roscosmos also complained that U.S. sanctions on Russia were hurting the Russian space industry, and he has previously said Russia could end its participation in the ISS program if the sanctions are not lifted.